In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72, and let me show you how to activate keyboard sounds. So at first just open the phone dialer and keypad, and as you can hear, now it is muted, so you cannot hear any sound connected with tapping on the pads. But if you want to change it, just open the settings, enter sounds and vibration, here scroll a bit lower and mark system sound and vibration control. Now activate keypad sounds right here, smoothly by tapping on this indicator, and from now on, I don't know if you can hear it clearly, but it really is working on. No, it's still muted, but it is working. I think you can hear it smoothly. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can activate it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.